Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Polkadot. So before we get in that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. For my Patreon member, I post a video about herd immunity. Does it work? And this type of thing, like the virus thing, I can't even talk about in mainstream media anymore because my view, probably Google doesn't like it, YouTube doesn't like it. They will probably ban my video. So that's why I need to post it in my Patreon group. Also, I'm going to post about gold and silver update. That will be for my crypto die master Patreon member only. So if you're interested, you can check it out. I also have a whole bunch of other videos already. So if you're interested, you can check it out as well, and you can join my Patreon group. So let's talk about Polkadot. So right now, there's a whole bunch of hype about Polkadot. Yeah. So in Polkadot, basically, saying that if you miss Ethereum, so you don't want to miss Polkadot. This is like earlier days of Ethereum, and Polkadot basically want to try to solve the problems that Ethereum has right now. Scalability is an issue right now, right? In terms of Ethereum, scalability is a huge issue, and also they can do cross blockchain transfer. So basically, you can do like Bitcoin. You can transfer a token from Bitcoin to Ethereum or Ethereum to Bitcoin. So this project is, I think it's a little bit similar to Metronome. I talked about Metronome probably a long time ago. This is like cross-chain, you can do cross-chain transfer. And of course, Metronome also jumping on the D5 decentralized finance bandwagon. So right now it's 23, Metronome. And let's see. Yeah, they jumping on right now. It's like everybody jumping on the bandwagon, and a lot of people talking about Polkadot. When everybody talk about it, I probably will not buy it this time. Maybe later on, or not right now. And don't forget, in terms of the team, this project is built by Kevin Woods. Is also one of the co-founder of Ethereum, just like Cardano. Charles Hoskinson, also co-founder of Ethereum. That's why there's so much hype about this project. And in terms of the I think the initial sales of this token, I think back in probably 2017 or 2018, I can't remember. So they sold the first sale is a pre-sale token at $30, and the private sale. So they have two rounds of sales. The first round they sell at $30. The second round they sell at 120. And today Polkadot they just have a split. So used to be like 283 or 300. I think yesterday go up all the way up to 300 or something like that. So right now it's divided by 100. So 100 to so it's split to 100. So right now it's 283. So the people who buy at 30, which is so it's 283. Probably those private hedge fund probably cash out after they listed on the exchange, right? So if you look at the chart. Let's see. So they probably cash out at this time, and then the person who buy at 120, they probably cash out again. So it's very typical in 2017. You just buy a whole bunch of ICO, before the initial coin offering. Then you cash out once they listed in the exchange, you cash out, and then you have 10x whatever x return, right? So this is basically 2017 is the ICO fiasco, and then we have a bear market. So right now, the DeFi decentralized finance is another catalyst for bringing the next bull market. And right now, everybody talk about it. I don't think it's a good idea to get in. I mean, I could be wrong as well. It may, you never know. And because there's so much hype, that's been people getting into it. So you never know. So, but at this price, I don't think I would get into it, because if you see the price, there's 30, 120. Right now is like 200 something. It's almost like 3x, right? 10x and 3x, right? So also, this coin is also listed in KuCoin. They just listed in KuCoin, I think today, and also in Kraken as well. I think yesterday. I don't know. I think Kraken a long time ago. I think maybe 2 weeks ago, and they trading at Binance, Kraken as well as KuCoin. KuCoin just started today, so. Let me know what you think about this. This may be a potential catalyst for the next Ethereum. But the thing is, at this time, I'm a little bit skeptical on everything because there's a lot of pump and dump, and I try to be on the side of caution. But anyway, so let's see. There's also team building on this project. Of course, Chainlink is of course helping to build a. I think it's because of the Oracle on the blockchain. Basically, you pull the data from the legacy database and put it in the blockchain. So it's important you need to use Chainlink to do that. And you have a Gemini is open finance platform. ChainX developed a Bitcoin and Ethereum bridge. So that is a cross-chain transfer. So cross-chain transfer. I think the one of the big things is the cross-chain transfer, and then also the scalability and the speed as well. Those are important. I think we will see how this project go. If they have more I think more big names coming to this blockchain, that may be a game changer. But the thing is, you have to have, I mean, even though you have a very fancy blockchain, but if no project, I think no user using the blockchain, then it's pretty useless, right? So I think it's also depending on the partnership, and also if they know the right people, if they have the right people, just like Tezos, they know the right people, because the founder used to be work in one of the, I think, Morgan Stanley or whatever, right? So they already have some type of connections already in the DeFi, decentralized finance. So they are already ahead of the game. And so that, I mean, not only you have to have a good blockchain, but also you got to have a connections to have the projects built on the blockchain. So that is important. And I think people who have some financial background is also good on those blockchain, because they will bring in the projects from the legacy, from the traditional financial system to the blockchain. Also, you have Digits, which is a digitized gold on the blockchain, and then .io, verifiable credentials, Centrifuge, basically operating system for the financial supply chain, Ocean Protocol. I think a lot of people talk about Ocean Protocol nowadays, right? And Energy Web Foundation and iExec as well. A lot of people talk about iExec, Edgeware, and Zero Chain. Zero Chain used to, they give out free token, Zero Chain. Canon Network, and this is stablecoin. Oh, this is basically a stablecoin platform. And then the robonomics and cyber physical system integration. And let's see. This is a financial contract, ladder network, decentralized exchange for cross-chain asset, Assure network, social security network, and then you have Zero X protocol, CRX, decentralized exchange, and yeah, those are just yep. So CRX, we talked about that back in probably May, right? I think there's already 2x pump for the CRX already. So let me know what you think about this project. I think right now it's a little bit too much hype, so we'll see how it goes. And today just listed on KuCoin as well. So if more exchange, more liquidity is important. I'm not surprised this will eventually listed on Coinbase as well. I don't want to give, but if it's listed on Coinbase, there will be pump again. You never know. So let me know what you think about this project. Comment below. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. Let's look at the crypto fear and greed index right now. It's extreme greedy, but this is like, I think 12 hours lagging behind. Yeah, so tomorrow maybe not extreme greed. So this is like 12 hours behind, 12 hours to, I think 12 hours to 18 hours behind. This is not real-time data. But anyway, let me know what you think about Polkadot. Do you already hold DOT token, or you're going to get DOT token? And what do you think about this project? Do you think it's going to be the next Ethereum? So if you missed Ethereum, do you think you're going to get this token? I would love to hear from you. Comment below. I would love to hear from you. And if you find this video interesting, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence. And this video is only for entertainment and informational purposes, not a financial advice. Please consult your financial planner. Peace out.